looking like I'm on vacation. Sometimes you need hair to make you think you're on the beach even though you're locked up in the house. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey, hey boy, hey girl, how you doing? How you feeling? So I have a unit today. This bomb unit. Looking like I'm on vacation. Sometimes you need hair to make you think you're on the beach even though you're locked up in the house. If you want to know about this hair, stay tuned. Today I have a unit from OmgQueen. It came in this nice pretty box. It just came with like the hair and a few, like a pamphlet, a couple pamphlets. So this is the hair. It's a 12-inch curly deep wave unit. So it's a really pretty unit, guys. It's a lace frontal and it does have some baby hairs. I'm just showing you the cap construction inside here. This unit came pre-plucked and it actually looks really good, but I'm actually just gonna go ahead and pluck just a little bit more so it doesn't look so, like, you know, defined. I just want it to kind of look a little bit more ragged. So I didn't really pluck too much, but I did pluck it enough to look more natural. Hey beauties, okay, so I'm back and I'm actually going to talk you guys through this little process here because somebody mentioned to me that they like when I talk. I don't know why y'all like when I talk, but I'm going to talk through this one. So this unit is from OmgQueen. It has been a few days later. Y'all like my little rack? Do y'all like my rack? I got this little rack on like Amazon. So basically I just co-washed this unit. I added some leave-in conditioner and I just left her to dry on a little rack like in my shower, and this is pretty much what she came out looking like. At first I was gonna go in with a little bit of gel and set her, but I was like, no, I want to kind of see what she looks like natural. So I just kind of hung her on my little Amazon rack, boop boop, and went from there. Okay, so let's go ahead and take her off. Now, the hairline on this unit, guys, looks really, really good. I went in a little bit, though, and I did kind of tweeze the hairline a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and spray her with my Even Tint Lace Spray. This is the color dark brown, and I really like this tint spray. It's just like using foundation or powder or makeup, whatever, but it's just a tint lace spray. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and spray the inside of this unit, like so. I'm kind of just more focusing on the hairline where the lace is going to show. Okay, I didn't show you guys the inside of this unit, but whew, it's a lot, y'all. It's a lot. So basically this is what the inside of the unit is looking like. It just has that lace in the front, comb on the side, one comb in the middle, and one comb in the back. All right.
The next morning.
Alright guys, so I am finally finished installing this unit. Honey, baby, do you see this? This beauty. So again, this hair is from OmgQueen. I got this unit because honestly, I was watching Natural Joy's channel If you don't know who she is, you need to check her out. And she had a video about companies that are affordable, human hair companies, top companies, maybe pricier, affordable. So I went over there and boop, 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 boop. And I ordered a whole bunch of units. So this unit is from OmgQueen. This video is not sponsored. It was bought by me in my own coins. Okay, this unit is beautiful. This is beautiful, y'all. So let's go ahead and talk about this unit. As you saw in the put down, I received this hair. I shampooed it, conditioned her. I put her on my little Amazon wig stand, and I said, okay, we gonna do this. So I did this like about twice, y'all. So the first time that I attempted to do this, I was trying to be lazy. It was late. We quarantined, I'm in my lazy mode, and I just wasn't doing it right. And I said, you know what, I need to come to y'all with a real melt. And I melted this unit, and I think she is melted to perfection, if I must say so myself. So what I did is basically I conditioned her, I shampooed her, I put a little bit of my curl enhancing smoothie on her to set her. You can use any leave-in conditioner. I just put that on her because I wanted her to have some moisture. And then I also set her with my little curly gel by Camille Rose. This is a little pricey, guys, but I use these products on my daughter's hair, so I was like, hey, I have them, let me go ahead and use them. But I think I'm gonna start looking for more like wig products to use because I'm using up all my pricier stuff, and we quarantine, y'all. We can't be using up all the pricey stuff. Anyway, so yeah, I set her, I put her on my mannequin. So the first time I tried to do this, like I said, I was rushing and it was getting cakey. I put it all down at one point and like all together, and it just wasn't sitting right. So I went in. This is like the second time I'm installing her. I shampooed her up again and I set her, and I went in sections as you saw. So I put the glue down and I melted and I waited. Then I went to the next section and I waited, and I continued that all the way through. Then I tied her down, and if you notice, my makeup was on maybe at first, but then it wasn't on with the second install. So I did that because I noticed that when I was installing the unit the first time with my makeup on and everything, taking the makeup off with the alcohol would have worked, but it was getting really cakey. It was getting really like clumpy and nasty, and y'all would have been like, that lace ain't melted. It ain't melted. So I didn't want y'all, you know, coming for me because it's my birthday month, you know, so y'all need to be nice to me. So I went ahead and I put her down, and boom, here we have it. And I really like this. I really like this. I feel like with lace frontals, human hair units, you absolutely need to put that time in to get that melt effect, to get that, make it work. I put my makeup on after, and it kind of helped blend it in a little bit more. I did use my lace tint spray. That helped. With human hair units, you don't want your lace showing. I mean, you pay all this money, you want it to make it look like your hair. Even synthetic units, you know, you get what you pay for in like putting time into things. So I think that the second install is definitely a better install. I did go in and I put a little bit of baby hairs on the side, but just kind of like natural looking baby hairs. Nothing too like dramatic. Like I just kind of like made it look like I woke up like this. I woke up like this. So yeah, so that's how I installed her. This is a 12-inch unit. I kind of wish that I would have got it a little bit longer, but since this is the first time that I got this hair from this company, I just wanted to make sure I liked it first, and I do. They were some pre-bleached knots, like 2 inches in the front, and that worked. But I think next time I'll probably get more bleached units going all the way back, because I did kind of have to use a little bit of powder in here, but it's fine. It works. Can't find a comb, but it's a lot of good parting space in here. It kind of is only right here in the front, so you can't. I got the unit that I got. I'll leave a link below. It's not lace going all the way across. It's not a full lace frontal. So this, I mean, it's good parting space in between here. I went ahead and parted her to the side, but guys, you can part her all over, you know. There's a lot of good parting space in here. And it kind of stops like right here. This is where the tracks start. It works. It works. It absolutely works. Like it's amazing. This is beautiful. I really, really like it. She's really, really soft. As far as shampooing her, I didn't have any issues with shampooing her. I shampooed her, and guys, the conditioner, the moisture, like it was just like beautiful. The curls were just popping. It was popping. She's not shedding on me. She feels really good. Would I recommend this unit? Absolutely. As far as like looking for a human hair unit, I absolutely would recommend her. For this length, I did pay $140. Depending on what you order, the specs do change. I'm feeling this unit. I probably should have added a little bit of oil sheen. See, people get human hair units and don't even know how to act. They don't know how to act right when they get human hair, because human hair is different than synthetic hair. And my thought process behind this was like, I've been eyeing some synthetic curlier units that look like this, and I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and spend the extra money and make her last longer and get my money's worth and get a human hair unit. And this absolutely is doing that job for me. Like, if I would have just got a longer length, I think I could have totally felt like I was in the Bahamas right now. Totally. You know, you go on the couch, you tell everybody you're about to put the ocean vibes on, and woo, we on vacation. We on the, oh, open your eyes. We still quarantined. Anyway, let me know how you guys are feeling about this unit. And again, I did drop an eyelash video. You guys been asking me about my lashes. I dropped that yesterday, so I'll leave a link to that below. And also, if you're wondering about these contacts, I'll leave a link in the description box below also. I hope everybody's doing okay. This is April. I'm going to say it again. I'm going to keep saying it. I'm going to say it every other video, but this is April. It's April. It's my birthday month. And if you guys want to leave me a present, go ahead and subscribe. That's all I need. That's all I need. We on the road to 1K, baby. We doing this. We doing it. All right, guys. Until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.